This is the Mobile Mechanic 757. We're on part 2 of the Toyota Corolla pre-inspection, condensed version, not the whole long drawn out version of it. We're actually in the trunk. I do not smell anything crazy. These are for if somebody wanted to put the seats down. I got 2 on both sides. They're supposed to be clipped up, but that's superficial. One of the main things to worry about is, does it have a spare? And what is the condition of the spare? And this one's really good. They have the jack and everything. Also, there's no water in here or no bunch of rust. That means this car has not been in a flood. We're gonna actually look up under the car since we had it running. We're gonna see if there's any kind of leaks. Nothing's touched the ground. I'm also looking at the body. I'm gonna be looking at the body for rust. Nice and solid. Cadillac converter. Everything is everything. I do not see anything crazy whatsoever. I don't see anything leaking on the ground. The tires are really good tread. As you can see, this is the back tire. Has very good tread. I'm going to show you the front tire, and they all match. This is the front tire, and it's the same way all the way around the whole entire vehicle. So we're just going to go around the vehicle real quick. You got superficial scratches, but that means absolutely nothing. Scratches are not going to carry you from point A to point B. This is a 2008. Nothing's going to be perfect, but thus far everything is running correctly. This car has been in very good kept condition. You got a little bit of paint right there, but no one cares. It has the current inspection right here, and there's a whole entire going around the whole entire car. We're going to do a part 3 when we do the test drive. If you like this vehicle, please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.